How's everybody doing? This painting's called Snowflowers. Right now, as you can see, I'm just laying down my base. The base is just acrylic paint and water. The acrylic paint that I use, or the brand that I use, is just Artist Loft. Artist Loft Titanium White. Right now, I'm just torching out the bubbles. It's a good idea to always, after you lay something, torch out the bubbles. If you move it, right now I'm just moving, making sure that everything is level and smoothing out by blowing it with the blow dryer. Oh, there's something there. I'll get it. And I'll probably end up torching it again after I finish moving the paint around. Always remember to touch up your sides. Make sure you get your sides with your hands. Well, that's what I do anyway. You can touch it up with however you want. Again, I'm torching it again. That blue there is Primary Blue by Artist Loft. Well, I'm just gonna say it's all Artist Loft because I'm not using anything but Artist Loft brand for this particular painting. That's that titanium white. All my paints is just water and paint, except for my cell activator, and that's um, water, paint, and Floetrol. This is an iridescence blue. Well, it's a turquoise blue. Let me see what. Let me. It's a viridian, and what I did was I put some of the um, Artist Loft iridescence in there, iridescence medium or whatever they call it. It looks like it's gray, but it's silver. This is a cobalt blue. I'm putting my puddle around. As you can see, I'm getting ready to blow it over. So yeah, this is a Dutch pour. Just blowing the puddle over. Um, Learned this from Renska Downa. Well, actually, a lot of people do it, but I really watched and studied Renska Downa. Now, of course, I hope I don't slaughter her name. And of course, she's an expert. So the way what I produce is nothing compared to what she is doing. I'm just blowing out the bubbles right now. That blue's really showing up. I like that. Yes. Nice. Okay, here it is, all finished and dry. Guys, let me know what you guys think of the color and the painting. The lacing and the cells are really beautiful. For today, go heal some hearts with hope.